While there are different versions, the model I find most useful uses actionable for A and relevant for the R. Other versions may use achievable and realistic, and that's fine. But by definition, goals should be challenging, with at least some possibility of failure. In this version, you start with relevant by creating a list of all the goals you wish to pursue. Then prioritize. Narrow in on the handful of goals with the highest value to you. These are your most relevant goals. Next, write down the major steps, the actions you'll need to complete in order to achieve success. Then, project how long you think the goal should take. This can be estimated by adding up each actionable. And you also want to know what success looks like. How will it be measured? In some cases, it'll be a yes or no, while in other cases, it will be a number, score, or amount you want to achieve. Last, you want to tie it all together into a specific goal statement. For example, within 5 weeks, I'll run a 5K in under 25 minutes. And that's SMART in 60 seconds. Give it a try. See if it works for you.